Okay, everyone, back with a new video. And as I said, I was going to show you my Club Penguin collection. I got this when I went to Ireland on vacation. Just keep turning the pages. Cards. Pretty good. I have a lot of good cards. Sorry. These cards, they just, they're like sticker things, and they come with stickers in every pack. Just put the stickers on, and then these are just regular cards. And the cards are pretty cool, and you can play a card game, because each card comes with an instruction on how to play. So, you can consider buying these. Pretty fun. Pretty good. I like them. So, yeah. Another sticker card. Another sticker card. Another sticker card. Good sticker card. Ooh, I like that one. Invisible Ninja Shoot. There's a lot of ninja ones. Okay, the regular, and then I have some more pages. Then, boom, boom, boom. So that's about it for now. Bye.